you have before you is to repeal the requirement we had for the doors to be removed from any ice boxes. That requirement has not been needed since 1958. Where the inside you can easily push open the door because kids did used to get locked in.
So technically, up to this point in Glendale, if you abandon or left your property, or in fact traded or disposed of an icebox, you were subject to a year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So if you had an evil character sitting in the office and say, I think he sold an icebox last week and didn't take the door off. It seems like trivial matters, but every time we remove something that potentially could harm or incarcerate or fine a citizen and could be misused, we're very happy to take it off of the books. Questions for Mr. Lyon? Hearing none, I'll close the public hearing. Chair will entertain a motion.
Motion.
Councilman King.
Motion to approve ordinance number 12, series of 2013, an ordinance of the City Council of the City of Glendale repealing section 9.44-020, abandoning iceboxes or like items prohibited.
Do we have a second?
Second.
Seconded by Councilman Allen. Discussion. Hearing none, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Thank you, Mr. Lyon.
Listen to the old man. Listen to the old man. Listen to the old man. When you can.